Good afternoon. Today we are going to see the GL agents. Okay, so for that, I already enabled uh, agent for that. Like we enable ledger agents. It is called. Okay, so why we use ledger agents? That's the one of the main thing. When we use ledger agents, we use full concept introduced in 24C. Okay. Uh, like normally, ledger agents allows accountants and financial users to interact with general ledger information using natural language questions. So we can interact with the application using normal English only. So that is a very useful concept introduced in 26C. Um, I will explain in detail. So this is a suppose I want to show the balance of the cash account for EBS primary ledger for the month of for the period of July 26. Just I will give the explain English so that it can fetch the data. Okay. So we can use simple natural English inquiry, proactive monitoring. So suppose I want to know how many GS are processed and if any issues are there in processing the GL ledgers. So we can come to know in advance. That is the one of the. So you can also use role-based security. So I can access only the roles which is assigned to us. Suppose I can't access other ledgers which is assigned to me only. I can access. That's one of the thing very useful and so this is the main. Faster, improved, and AI assistant, smarter and time saving. This is one of the business value we'll get it from the ledger agents. Okay, I will show from the application how can do that. So we have ledger agents at there. If you open this, so it will take some time to open that application. So you have to configure that agent, then only it will. So we can see that ledger agents here. So it will take some time to open that. So this is the thing we can get. Suppose we have assigned to primary ledger. I want to know. So this is the so show the balance for the which account and so everything you can come from using these agents. Okay, suppose generals show unpost general entry for accountant for the period, and we will get everything from these agents. So very useful concept. Uh, it is coming from 26C. So have any doubts how to configure this in GL, sorry, ledger agent? Please ping me on YouTube comment section so that so I will show that one activity. Mm, so this is one thing. So if you open that, so it will ask. I am putting one like that. It is like a LOV concept. If you know the uh, account name, suppose I have, then suppose beyond period, it will like July 24. If you know the period name, then it will come. I don't have at present. I don't know exact period name and account. So I will give 1 minute. Will access one period and one account so that I'm duplicating here. Mm, mm, mm. So give me some time and I'm taking one account and I will show that the balance from the. Yeah, so I'm going to like an account. Suppose I have. I'm using corporate account as a value set so that. So I'm taking one value here from that. I'm taking this. Okay. So I'm putting there. Mm, Then mm, want to know the one period from here. So what is the period um, I'm going to? That is the account period is 011. Okay. So I'm putting like mm, 0411. Okay. Just I'm giving here that I'm taking some time. It is 04, sorry, 20, 04, 011. So suppose the month of May, month of 26. Right. So just I want to know that uh, if any unposted journals are there, it will show here. Okay. So it will unpost it for the activity account. It will show here. Okay. So this is a very useful concept which is coming in 26C. Okay. So if you have any doubts on this, please ping me YouTube comment section so that I can reply back. Thank you. It will take some time to retrieve it. So please ping me on YouTube comment section for any activities.